Britney Spears' teenage sons Sean Preston and Jaden James will not be attending her upcoming wedding to fiancé Sam Asghari. The 40-year-old singer and her 28-year-old beau are expected to say "I do" in front of a very small and exclusive guest list, which does not include her mum Lynn Spears, dad Jamie Spears or sister Jamie Lynn Spears. The pop star, who shares her sons with ex-husband Kevin Federline, reportedly asked her boys to the ceremony to watch her tie the knot with Sam, but they politely declined. Mark Vincent Kaplan, who is an attorney representing Britney's ex-husband Kevin, revealed her teenage sons would not be attending the nuptials, to TMZ. While the pair are reportedly happy for her, and wish her all the best in her future with Sam. Although the boys will not be in attendance, Kevin and the boys are happy for Britney and wish her and Sam all the best going forward, he said. According to TMZ, it has still to be decided who will walk Britney down the aisle, but she has invited brother Brian, who will be the only exception to her no family rule. Actor and model Sam popped the question to the Hit Me Baby One More Time hitmaker back in September, shortly after Britney was freed from her 13-year conservatorship. Since then the pair have jetted off on numerous five-star holidays, including Cabo, Cancun, Las Vegas, and Hawaii. In her latest Instagram video, Britney fueled rumors she's set to marry for a third time today as she filmed herself sipping on champagne with Sam in the back of a chauffeur-driver Rolls-Royce. Speaking to the camera in a British accent, Britney announced, "This is my second time to ever be in Rolls-Royce, I'm really excited. There are stars on the ceiling and tiny champagne glasses, which I've never had, that are very cold already. I feel very sophisticated with all the jewels on my hand," she told fans before flashing a hand to the camera. "Toodaloo my friends. Cheers." Britney first met husband-to-be Sam back on the set of her video Slumber Party in 2016, and the couple have rarely been apart since. Web celebs at mirror.co.uk or call us direct 0207 29 33 033.